Out here on the weather deck, we still have a few puddles from the morning rainfall, but we're going to see a lot more wind and rain come Saturday evening and Saturday night. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because of that in sight. It's also red, warmer weather ahead, at least tomorrow afternoon through very early on Sunday. This view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Our high was right after midnight, but the afternoon high was only 42, and that's what we forecast today. And it was 41, that's what we forecast. That's within 3 degrees of the high, and that's 9 days in a row. And we did get a little bit of light rain across much of the area. Not a lot, just enough to wet the ground. We're going to get a lot more here tomorrow night through early on Sunday. So the best opportunity to do some raking of the lawn will be here tomorrow. Certainly not on Sunday because all the leaves are going to be blowing around. Ground will still be damp, but at least better conditions on Monday. Out ahead of the next weather system, high wind watch is going to go in effect very late Saturday night through Sunday morning for the lakeshore areas. This may be extended inland because of the strong winds. What a high wind watch means is just be prepared, secure everything, because there could be wind gusts to 50 to 58 mile per hour plus, and it will be a long, prolonged event, especially starting late Saturday evening through Sunday with wind gusts in Grand Rapids to 35 to 40 plus miles per hour. And that's our focus here tonight with the rain coming here tomorrow evening through Sunday. There's also the strong winds. They're going to be out of the southeast Saturday evening, gusting to over 25 miles per hour, and then they become a little more south to southwest. Wind gusts to 40 plus at the lakeshore. That's according to the model. There could be some wind gusts up to 50 plus miles per hour. And this is Sunday morning, so it's not going to be a great start to the firearm deer season with wind and rain and then falling temperatures from the low 50s. And then the winds will start to come down a little bit, not enough throughout the day on Sunday. So it's going to be really tough for the deer hunters out there. A wind gust still to 35 plus miles per hour in the early evening on Sunday. And then they start to come down during the night Sunday night. Long range outlook at the end of the month through the first 11 days of December. A very high probability the eastern 2/3 of the country will be warmer than average. Average highs at that time are mid 30s to near 40. So probably 40s. A good chunk of the country has higher chances for less precipitation, with exception of us. But again, it looks like toward the end of the month, early next month, it'll be warmer and leaning at least a little bit drier. Morning sun, afternoon clouds at the lakeshore, mid and upper 40s, and they'll continue to go up tomorrow night. The winds will be out of the south, southeast here at 8 to 16. Up north, your temperatures in the afternoon into the mid 40s. They'll go up during the evening into the early morning hours on Sunday. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, our afternoon highs will be in the mid 40s, right around 46. 13 on your side forecast. Riding the temperature wave into the low 50s and then falling into the 30s on Sunday. There might be some snow mixed in with the rain to the north, and then a cloudier and cooler weather pattern settling in, at least for the first half of next week. We may hit the mid 50s again by next Thursday and Friday, and then fall back again next weekend. Maybe the next Sunday will also feature some rain and or snow.